Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Patrick Young with S Solutions Technology. I'm the Global Business Development Director. S Solutions Technology is a pro storage solutions provider to worldwide customers. Today I'm going to introduce our latest enterprise NAS software. We call it SRB NAS Software. I'm going to talk about what is new, what are the specialties, and why we are different than others. Before I get into it, I will briefly introduce S Solutions Technology profile and advantages to you. S Solutions Technology team has more than 20 years in providing server and storage solutions to worldwide customers. We have office and R&D center in Taiwan and United States. Our market focuses are cutting-edge storage solutions, NAS, DAS, SAN solutions including 10G, 25G, 40G, 50G, 100G, gigabit internet, fiber channel, iSCSI, 12G SAS, storage solutions, etc. Customizing high-performance server storage, professional storage for specialized markets such as security surveillance, video and audio editing shared storage, data center, backup and restore, high-performance computing, etc. for all applications. And we are also specialized in OEM ODM solutions from terabyte to petabyte. We have experienced technical support team to serve worldwide customers. So let's start our introduction to SRB Enterprise NAS Software. SRB NAS Software is a true unified NAS plus iSCSI plus fiber shared storage software, starting from 8 bay up to 72 bay in a single system. Scale up to 3 petabyte and scale out to 8 exabyte. The SRB NAS software is using the same core XFS ext4 iSCSI fiber target as the previous SRM NAS software generation. And what is new? BTRFS. Our development team has added BTRFS Volume Manager and BTRFS file system options besides XFS ext4 from LVM. So what are the advantages and benefits of SRB NAS software? There are many, so let me list it out for you. First, metadata mirroring and stored in two different places in the volume against data corruption and or data loss. CRC file checksum calculation, keeping and checking against file corruption, especially against silent data corruption. And we have very advanced snapshot functions, such as virtually unlimited number of snapshots with very little space consumed, virtually no performance degradation for snapshotting, and snapshot is remote replicable. Snapshot recovery can be direct mount by admin or self-service by users. And we have simple visioning, and LV size not only can grow but also can shrink. BTRFS has far better performance on megabyte per second throughput than ZFS with parity rate levels with the same set of hardware configuration. And of course, some people might heard something about the BTRFS. Okay, I heard something is not good about BTRFS, and what is it? The rumor has it the parity rate R56 rebuilt on BTRFS is not mature, stable yet, and this status monitoring is not quite as convenient as it is in LVM. But you know what? Do not to worry. Why? Because our development team has met the SRB NAS software, different than the regular BTRFS out there. The SRB NAS software is not using RAID 5.6 from the BTRFS volume manager. Rather, either use world-class LSI or RAID-CAR Group G SAS hardware RAID-CAR, or use software RAID from the LVM. So what are the special features for SRB NAS software? First, NVMe supported. It supports NVMe drives in general. Support OS installation on NVMe and boot from it. By doing so, the system overall performance gets significantly improved. We have many real-life users cases supporting this application. The new kernel. The new kernel supports the latest hardware device such as new CPUs, motherboard chipsets, storage adapters, and network adapters, etc. New GUI. It is more convenient, natural, and intuitive for users to upgrade. And on the network section, VLAN support and bandwidth balance. The bandwidth balance is the network port on the NAS that will try to intelligently balance the network traffic between multiple network clients accessing it. It's like a mini version of QoS to the clients, typically useful for using high-speed internet such as 10G, 25G, 40G, 50G, or 100G gigabit internet. And we have network performance fine-tuning options. On the storage section, again we have SIM provisioning, unlimited snapshot with no performance degradation, remote volume copy cloning, 2 copies of metadata and 2 copies of system files, plus CRC32 checksums against silent data corruption, LV size, growth, and frame. Let's continue our storage section. It allows multiple file systems coexist. LVM coexist with XFS, ext4, iSCSI, and fiber target. BTRFS coexists with iSCSI and fiber target. LTFS is TEPNAS with LV buffer. Remote NFS import is a very interesting and unique features, and also very important. It allows NFS share on the other brand NAS or Unix system onto the SRB NAS as if a local share. Then use the built-in folder replication to copy contents from other systems to the SRB NAS, or the other way around to copy contents of a local SRB NAS folder to remote system. It is very useful method for backup and data migration. Let's continue on storage section. Speed RAID, size growth. It's an existing speedy RAID that can grow its size by 2 methods. Method 1. Adding more disks to it and grow the volume size while preserving its data. Method 2. Replace existing disks one by one and rebuild volume one by one while preserving data in it. Volume check. RAID volume consistency check either on demand or by schedule. SSD cache. It is actually a revised SSD cache implementation for XFS ext4 iSCSI on top of LVM. Now it allows only the cache, because write-back cache would take very long time to do reboot or shut down. and users may just get impatient, unplug the power cable to do ungraceful shutdown, which would damage data integrity. Swap. It allows administrators to define their own swap file size on selected logical volume for those who has a NAS with very little system memory installed, like below 8 GB. Service section. We have WebDAV. It transfers files over HTTP. It is an alternative to FTP transfer. It has so many advantages. It has strong authentication, encryption, proxy support, and caching. And it's easier to go through firewalls and work with NAT. Faster and more efficient when transferring many small files. GZ compression is used as standard in WebDAV. It supports partial transfer, and it has wide choice on authentication methods which are not defined in FTP. Video editing, optimize, and fine-tuning options. This is a very great feature for video and audio editing industry. AFP friendly. It has option to do fast search from AFP database or work through the entire file structure. Option to re-index AFP database. An option to straight out file attributes due to misuse or cross-use of SMB AFP from the same MAC to the same network folder. Fast MAC spotlight search over SMB connection. As option in SMB page to turn on fast searching file on NAS from Mac client view spotlight over SMB connection. Antivirus functions. It has three major features: define quarantine directory, scheduled scan and scan on demand, scheduled update and update on demand. Virtual machine option. It is an option plugin for VMware VirtualBox. It is a free and open source hypervisor from Oracle, and you can launch VBox GUI from within NAS admin GUI. User accessibility check is a function for ACL service. It allows the administrator to do a reverse permission status check on the selected user from a pull-down menu. It will return with the user's permission assignment status on the current folder and each subfolder, up to 10 subfolder labeled down from the current folder. Remote access section. Web HDD search feature. It's a new search feature that allows a user login to Web HDD from the web browser to the SMB NAS that will be able to search files by entering a keyword or multiple keywords with AND condition, and the user can define how many labels of subfolder down from the current folder. Terminal access option. It allows the administrator to access CLI from the GUI without using SSH or connecting actual keyboard monitor to the NAS unit. Weak cipher and max option. This is to enhance security access. Auto redirect HTTP to HTTPS option. It takes HTTP connection and automatically converts it to HTTP connection. Again, for security access enhancement, it is different from HTTPS access only. Backup and sync section. Backup and restore function. It is an alternative to folder replication for data backup to between two SRB NAS units. It is a bi-redirection of data movement, backup restore style instead of folder replication one-way direction. And it is also more robust and better data integrity with tightly integrated internal checking. It supports schedule on demand backup restore, and it also supports virtual. Other features and functions. SRB Enterprise NAS Software has so many rich features. It supports client file system, network transport protocols, network services, scale up over 3 PB and scale out over 8 EB, built-in snapshot, folder replication, and iSCSI. iSCSI support for VMware and Microsoft Hyper-V. Deduplication solution, a high-performance inline data deduplicating file system. Support over 1 million ADS user accounts. Support LTO, RDX, LTFS, linear tab file system. Include iSCSI target and initiator functions for IPsec infrastructure. And we also have optional features for users' special application. NAS to NAS cluster mirror and failover. It has active standby, active, static load balancing, and active, dynamic load balancing. Optional async is a real-time asynchronous remote boundary replication. Optional 16G fiber target and fiber HBA supported. Global namespace option for big data application, up to 8 EB giant storage capacity. Now let me show you SRB NAS storage amazing performance. As you can see, this is a 10G performance. The test report was performed by a 2UA based storage with 6 TB 7200 RPM hard drive with only 8 pieces and a single 10G port in Wi-Fi under SRB performance test, and both read and write were able to reach over 1000 MB/s. And here is the 25 GB internet performance test with only 15 pieces of hard drive, 7200 RPM SAS drive, and a single 25 GB internet port in Wi-Fi under SRB performance test. The write was able to reach over 2500 Mbps, and the read was able to reach 1700 Mbps. What are the benefits for using S-Solution Technologies NAS software? No capacity limitation. One license for one price. Customers can use 6 TB, 8 TB, 12 TB per drive for NAS and scale storage system. Premium lifetime tech support. No need to pay additional charge for technical support. We offer lifetime technical support for our valuable worldwide customers. And support world-class 12G hardware RAID controller from LSI and Omnicom. We also can assist customers to build their own enterprise NAS storage without MOQ. High flexibility on hardware configuration. Customers can use very high-end hardware such as 8-core, 12-core, 20-core CPU. And if customer may just need entry-level or mid-range NAS storage, then we can configure even Intel Atom Celeron CPU to save the high cost of hardware and to meet customers' budget. High flexibility on expansions. We provide choices for future expansion over 3 PB. Pay as you go. We have more videos to come to demonstrate S-Solution Technology software and hardware products. Please stay tuned and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks so much for your time. If you have any question, please contact us anytime. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. And also please feel free to request free 90-day NAS software to test our features and functions. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.